Every ride has a story, and this one was all about brotherhood, the road, and the EasyRiders spirit.
We rode out of town 150 miles ago. EasyRiders on the road, rain started to show. Joey joined the crew, watching us on the go. We stopped at the Archibald, had ourselves a bite. Rain still pouring, but we're feeling alright. Made it to Bathurst after that long ride through the night. Panorama's calling, the rain won't hold us down. We're riding through the storm, we own this town. EasyRiders, brothers, never backing down. That night we met Nas and the families too. Shopping at Woolies, just feeling the crew. Laughing and talking like we always do. Next morning at Piccolo's, breakfast on the mind. Headed to Mount Panorama, leaving the rain behind. A few laps with the boys, feeling mighty fine. Then we hit the bike show, bikes all around. The doors next shopping, we're on the ground. Sands looking sharp, ready for the state meet sound. At the golf club, food was slow, we were getting mad. Pedro and Jacob spoke, said the words we had. Votes were cast and the wind wasn't bad. Leroy and you, the leaders we crown. EasyRiders strong, we hold our ground. But when we hit the road, the rain still poured down. Back to Piccolo's again, one last breakfast stop. Then the rain hit us hard, but we just can't stop. Riding through the storm, we're still on top.
By afternoon, we reached Bathurst. Joey and I bunked with Stevo, just another piece of this big EasyRiders family. Rain had done its work, so for some of us it was straight to the car wash, because a clean bike is a happy bike. That night we met up with Nas and his family. EasyRiders isn't just about the road, it's about the people. We made a quick run to Woolies, just a simple moment, but that's what makes the journey complete. The next morning we gathered at Piccolo's on William. Good coffee, good food, and good company, fueling up for a big day ahead. Mount Panorama, iconic, legendary. We rode a few laps, felt the power of the track, then stopped for coffee. Just taking it all in. Of course, you can't leave without a photo shoot, memories locked in, moments frozen in time. Next stop, the Bathurst Bike Show. From classic builds to modern beasts, we admired every machine. Every bike has a story, just like every rider. Some of us rode out to Lucknow to the skin shop and boot barn. Joey got himself some fresh gear, pants, a belt, and a sharp shirt. Gotta look the part for the big meeting. By evening, we arrived at Bathurst Golf Club for the state meeting. Hunger was setting in. Waiting for food felt like forever. But business first. Pedro and Jacob stepped up, delivering speeches, reminding us what this club stands for. Then it was time for votes. The votes were cast, and the results were in.
We'll announce the VP first, and then we'll do the president. So I'll leave that up to my brother, who's going to read out the results.
Again, thanks everyone for the effort they put in today. It's been great. The ride, everything, it's fantastic. Great weather. It's been a good day.
And if you break down, there's a motorcycle shop on the Gold Coast. They've got look after you.
So we've counted all the nominations. And
The nominations as well.
what's it?
Just want to also thank the guys that have been nominated. And ladies. And ladies. I give it. Thanks, all right. I give it respect. So I do appreciate those nominations, and look, we appreciate what you guys have done.
Absolutely.
There is not a bad nominee on this list. All right. So I guarantee that the state is in good hands. Whoever gets nominated or picked tonight. So.
If you want to see the numbers of the results, that's available as well. And you've got the nomination to reach the end result of what members are saying. So,
Yeah, so if you want to go through it, we've got it all there for a proofread. So
Here
without
it is.
further ado,
Yeah.
here it is.
Thanks everyone again. So the VP for 2025, Nate. President for 2025, Lee.
Congratulations to our new president, Leroy, and our vice president, Unit. Well deserved, brothers. One last breakfast at Piccolo's before heading home. But the road had one more surprise for us. The ride back was rough, torrential rain soaking us through, but we pushed on, every mile bringing us closer home. Wet, cold, but safe. Another journey in the books. This wasn't just a ride, it was a reminder of who we are. Brothers on the road, together through it all. Until next time, EasyRiders forever.
Riding fast roads, no end in sight. When whips faces, moons are light. Steel horses, black leather souls. Freedom's anthem, thunder rolls. Central Coast dust, whiskey buzz, echoing dreams of what once was. Wheels behind, tails far and wide. Easy riders never hide. Brothers of the highway, fire, dust and sand. Silent pact we understand. Life's a journey, seas of gray, right through night till break of day. Hands on handle, freedom race. Every mile we lose the chains. Rose beneath the restless sky. Easy riders will never